Okay, thank you. So my talk will be on an example of what we can do on in a geometric setting for quotients of groups which have no slice. The groups that I have chosen are groups of interest for analysis of infinite dimensional settings, especially PDEs by various ways. These are pseudo-differential operators, so non-formal pseudo-differential operators appear in the theory of PDEs in looking for true solutions of PDEs by, for example, defining parametrices or finding inverse operators. And formal pseudo-differential operators are those that appear mostly in integrable systems. So the link between the two categories of pseudo-differential operators is actually well known and often used in order to prove, for example, some index theorems. But the geometric structure is difficult to study because, as I will explain later, there is no slice in the quotient that I will describe. So I need a generalized setting for differential geometry in order to define something which is like a principal bundle. And this is this setting that I will shortly describe in this short talk. The setting that I use classically is the setting of diffeologies. So briefly speaking, a diffeology is just a set of smooth maps from an open subset of an Euclidean space to a set X. So you take any open subset of Euclidean spaces and define what are the smooth functions from these open sets to X, and you need to have some natural properties of gluing, of restriction of the domain, and of composition in order to have classical theorems for example, calculus of variation. So the set of smooth maps on a diffeological space is called the set of plots. Then when we have said this, of course, on a diffeological space, there can be no, we use diffeologies when there is no atlas, of course. And for my talk, I will say a little bit more about diffeological Lie groups, which are groups for which we can say that the multiplication and the inverse are smooth. So this with this definition we can reach many groups of interest, but there is a technical problem about the Lie bracket. We can define the kinetic tangent space defined by germs of smooth paths, but on this tangent space at identity, the Lie bracket can be not well defined. So I need to consider a restricted class of the theological group on which the bracket is well defined. There is no problem for it for groups which are immersed diffeologically in an algebra of operator. But there are some examples where it cannot be defined. And I need also another notion, the notion of regular diffeological Lie group. regular means that the exponential map exists, and I need fully regular diffeological groups. That is, the exponential map works not only for the group G, but on its Lie algebra. This means that there is an integration of paths on the Lie algebra. And finally, I try to be very concise on the definitions, because I want to take more time on the examples. Diffeological principal bundle, then it will be a diffeological Lie group which is acting freely and of course smoothly on a diffeological total space. So here we can consider, of course, the base P over G, but actually there are some problems, of course, in order to define slices, or even define some local trivializations. They can be non-existing. So it is a technical problem, but there is actually a well-defined setting for connections as one forms from P with values in G, which are ad covariant with respect to the action, and if the structure group is fully regular, then any connection defines a way to get horizontal paths from paths. So the idea is very simple. Consider a path and pull back the principal bundle. Then we have a classical principal bundle over R. And even if the Lie group is diffeological, if it is fully regular, then we can apply holonomy and get the horizontal path. So in all these constructions, you can see that the base is not involved. And it is a big point for the constructions, because the base has a natural diffeological structure on which we can do also some geometry, but there are many choices for possible for the diffeology of the base, and then the structure and what can be said about the base. So, the example on which I want to pass more time, the space of the algebra of classical pseudo-differential operators, so classical CL. So these are non-formal pseudo-differential operators acting on smooth sections of a complex vector bundle over a compact manifold without boundary. So I can consider also the formal classical pseudo-differential operators, which are obtained by taking the quotient by smoothing operators. So smoothing, so in classical pseudo-differential operators, there is the notion of order, like for differential operators. You can remember that classical pseudo-differential operators, this is the algebra which is obtained by considering parametrices of differential operators, or taking adding also the square root of the Laplacian and all powers of the Laplacian. negative or positive. So in this class, there are smoothing operators. For example, the heat operator, the heat operator is smoothing, and it has a nice structure which is standard. It is the Freches topology of smooth kernels. So I assume that the diffeology that I consider is a diffeology on which the two-sided ideal is embedded as a diffeological space, and then I can take the quotient, which make the formal classical pseudo-differential operators. In this algebra, there are groups of invertible elements that I write with a star. And there are some results which are mostly very old, on which are the following: the group of invertible classical formal pseudo-differential operators is exactly the quotient of CL star by G, and if you and if you consider now order 0 classical pseudo-differential operators, then for non-formal ones, these are bounded operators. You can make it as a Freche Lie group, and passing to the quotient, it is an ILH Lie group in the category of Omori. So this is these are very old results, and this is almost all what we know about these groups. And this is very frustrating because, of course, in these groups, there are groups of Redholm operators, and there are some problems related to index theory and all what is related. So many things. And the main problem is the problem of a slice. That is, even a local existence of a map from FCL0 star to CL0 star, or from FCL to CL. And then all what we have is an exact sequence of groups. And I say actually no local slice because considering the techniques that we have till now, there is no way to determine exactly and rigorously a slice. But the question is open. Actually, I do not have any proof that there is no local slice. But we have to work with that. And one remark that I made in a recent paper is that if we consider only CL star, then on CL star, on the group, we can define some connections which are with values. Sorry, there is a misprint. Which are with values in smoothing operators. So this is a good point, because if you refer to the classical theory for example, finite dimensional principal bundles, having a connection with values into an ideal, then you can reduce the structure group, and you can have some properties of local trivialization. It is not actually the case. I did not manage to get it yet. I am on it, but I did not manage to get it yet. But by right invariance, this connection is a true connection on these two smooth on these two diffeological principal bundles. So the formulas that I gave in the paper of 2021 can be extended almost right way, at least for a class of connections that I gave. That is, consider a smoothing operator. Then the connection one forms can be defined by these formulas on the Lie algebra, and then extended by right invariance or by right covariance. So these formulas define connection one forms on these principal bundles, since their values are in smoothing operators, and these then can define horizontal paths, but actually not for the paths of the base, but only for the paths on the total space. For m equal to S1, I can say a little bit more, because there is the sign of the Dirac operator, which gives a polarization, and then I can make this connection on which the smoothing operator, which is here, is more or less, I will not say straightly, but the idea is that this bracket is always smooth. A with I epsilon of D is always smooth. So this is with values in smoothing operators. And this other class of connection is interesting, because there are some formulas which are like the formulas for some super Chern forms. Super because there is a polarization again. So when I consider trace of a curvature times epsilon, so epsilon is the polarization, we have proved with Vladimir Upstov that this gives an integrable almost complex structure on formal pseudo-differential operators, but the relationship with non-formal operators is still open. So this super trace, here trace is the trace of classical pseudo-differential operators over L2 of the sections. It gives a two cocycle which is cohomologous to the Schwinger cocycle. So non-vanishing cohomology. It is a result which is analogous to the result of non-vanishing of the Kähler form of the based loop group. And another result which is not published but pre-published in another way is that if you consider the second Chern form, that is the first Pontryagin term, then you have also a non-vanishing cohomology class in Oldfield cohomology too. So this should say that we can push to the base the Schwinger cocycle, and which is not known actually. The Schwinger cocycle is actually related to the Kravchenko-Kessing cocycle on formal differential operators, but the relationship is not so geometric. So this is actually an open question. The problem is to give a more geometric interpretation of this relationship between the Kravchenko-Kessing cocycle and the Schwinger cocycle, and also, of course, the index cocycle on the restricted general linear group by Presley and Segal. So all these open questions are related, let's say, to a geometric setting for index theory, which does not involve some k-theoric results, but only involve some purely differential geometric arguments. I think that I can thank you for your interest.
Thank you very much.